This time Ta-Kei will make Oden. The origin of Oden is an old Japanese regional cuisine dating back to the Muromachi period 1336 to 1573.
I also made an anime Oden.
Oh, it's exciting.
In the last part of this video, I will explain the secret to making delicious Oden.
Daikon Radish.
Daikon radish is the most popular ingredient in Oden. Slice the daikon into 2.5 cm thick slices.
Peel the daikon radish. Make a crisscross pattern on the vertical and horizontal sides of the daikon to allow the flavor to soak in easily. Daikon radish takes a while to soften, so heat it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Konnyaku. Make diagonal cuts on the surface of the konnyaku to allow the flavor to penetrate more easily. Boil the konnyaku for a few minutes. Oden eggs. The preparation of Oden eggs is difficult to flavor, so he made Aji-tama Oden eggs separately. This Aji-tama container will hold 100 ml of dashi stock when filled to this line. Add 25 ml dashi stock, 1 teaspoon mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and water to make 100 ml. Bring to a boil once in a saucepan for a nice aroma. Pour this dashi solution into the Aji-tama bowl and leave overnight.
This Aji-tama bowl is convenient and saves the dashi solution.
Shiro-Dashi. First, make the white broth by heating 7.5 grams of kombu kelp in 1 liter of water and removing the kombu before it boils.
Cutting slits in the kombu make it easier to extract the flavor components. Glutamic acid, the umami flavor of kombu, is best extracted at 60 degrees. Remove the kombu before boiling, because boiling it after boiling will dissolve unwanted ingredients.
After removing the kombu, add 20 grams of dried bonito flakes and simmer for 4 minutes. When the dried bonito flakes are removed, the white dashi stock is ready. Umami rich, and has a good flavor.
Of course, commercial granulated dashi stock or solution type dashi stock is also convenient, time-saving, and tasty.
Oden dashi soup at 40 ml soy sauce, 40 ml mirin sweet sake, and 0.7 tablespoon sugar to complete the Oden soup stock. Oden ingredients. The basic ingredients are tofu and fish paste. First, simmer daikon radish and konnyaku for 15 minutes to 1 hour on low heat.
The reason? It is in the last part of the video.
In addition, other ingredients are added. Fish paste such as chikuwa and hampen fried fish cake and deep fried tofu are quickly rinsed with hot water. The blanching removes excess oil from the ingredients.
I will make a skewed anime Oden, which commonly appears in some Japanese anime and is symbolized in square, round, and triangular shapes. I also made takogushi octopus skewers.
Add chicken meatballs. The chicken will add a nice broth to the Oden dashi soup. Cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. To prevent radishes and other vegetables from losing shape, chill until ready to eat. Once cooled, reheat before you eat. Tasty Oden is ready.
Wow! Oden appears in Japanese anime. For example, Chibita in the 1966 anime Osomatsu-kun, the comic is from 1962, is found of Oden. In One Piece, the samurai Kozuki Oden, whose samurai name is Oden, actually made Oden in the anime, Season 9, Episode 926, etc.
To understand how to make delicious Oden, it is important to understand the properties of the ingredients. This table summarizes the properties of the ingredients, the advantages and disadvantages of prolonged cooking, and the cooking methods and times for each ingredient. An important key is the property of diffusion. This is the ability of ingredients to move from thick to thin. In the case of daikon, the ingredients inside are mostly water, so the outer dashi is thicker, allowing the umami and other ingredients to penetrate the daikon. On the other hand, chikuwa and other fish pastes contain umami and salt inside and are thicker than the dashi, so the umami and salt from the paste will be released into the dashi. Therefore, if you boil the daikon and other ingredients first, then add the fish paste after the daikon is ready and simmer for 30 minutes to an hour, you will be able to make delicious Oden. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.